everybody. Appreciate everybody being here. It's been a good camp. It's been long. It's been a long week. I'm already over it. It's ready, to step in there come Saturday. But yeah, Barrios versus Pacquiao. This is huge. It's historic. Hats off to Pacquiao and his team. For even daring to be great and doing what they're doing. But yeah, it's my time now, and I'm gonna show that come Saturday.
Thank you very much to the reigning WBC welterweight champion of the world, Mario El Azteca Barrios. And now with the challenger, I want to acknowledge Buboy Fernandez, who has been there with Manny Pacquiao for a while, also for a long, long time. Also the great Hall of Fame trainer, Mr. Freddie Roach, ladies and gentlemen. Round of applause to Team Pacquiao, also Sean Gibbons up there as well. Well, the man who last month was inducted to the International Boxing Hall of Fame. The Fighting Pride of the Philippines, representing Sarangani Province. He'll be looking to break his own record by furthering that legacy and becoming the oldest welterweight champion. He did that against Keith Thurman inside this very building back in July of 2019. He has defeated 8 current Hall of Famers with the record of 62 wins, 8 losses, 2 draws, 39 wins coming by way of knockout. Ladies and gentlemen, when it comes to legacies, it is awfully hard to come close to this man. Ladies and gentlemen, the fighting pride of the Philippines, Manny Pacman Pacquiao!
Good afternoon, everyone. I want to say thank you to Almighty God for this another opportunity. I'm here to face again in another fight, big fight against Mario Barrios. And I want to thank Al Heyman for this opportunity and TGP Promotion, Tom Brown, thank you. And to all the press and media who came here today to support this coming fight on Saturday. And the fans, thank you for everything, all your support, and of course, without the fans, boxing is dead. So I really appreciate your support in boxing. But I'm gonna sure this coming Saturday is gonna be a good fight.